Welcome to GardenFork. This is a nuke. It is a mini hive of 5 frames of bees. And we're going to install, it's called installing a nuke. We got this from a beekeeper that raises bees. And we're going to put these bees into this hive.
This hive. There are no other bees living in that hive right now.
This hive has, I put 5 frames in here that I had left over from another hive. They have comb drawn out, but you might have just foundation on these frames, and that's okay.
Can you explain the difference?
The foundation is the starter of the drawn out comb. It's just a sheet of honeycomb. And so we're going to put these guys, these girls, into here. We have 5 frames here, and there are 5 there. So we want to put these in the same. We want to put these in the same order they were in the hive.
Are they full?
Oh, these are mediums.
You're gonna hear a swear word now. Swear word.
Hold on.
Just like a beekeeper, he just happened to have one literally laying around.
I happen to have a medium box with some frames. I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. Most nukes are deeps. A deep frame instead of a medium frame. Medium frame is fine. I'm just going to clean this frame up, this box up real quick.
So in the meantime, the lid's off over there and they're flying around. Is that okay?
Yeah, they're not going to go too far. Because the queen, they're acclimated to the pheromone of the queen.
That means she smells good.
Alright, I have a medium now. I only have 4 medium frames, so I'm going to have to go back home and get one. But now we're going to put our bees. Really nice capped brood there. The beauty of a nuke is a package is just a bunch of bees in a box. This is a bunch of bees in a little mini beehive that you put in your bigger hive and they are ready to go.
They have like a step up, right?
Yeah, look at all that. That's great.
Are you looking for the queen? I see her.
There she is.
Find it. She matches your glove.
That's a marked queen. That's great. That is a carnelian.
That's it?
So now we're going to lay on some sugar feeder bags like we did in our other episodes. There's links below for that. And we put on the top and we're good to go. That's the beauty of a nuke, is it's just so beautifully simple. You just drop it in.
You didn't have to spray them or anything.
No. No. By the way, I've been experimenting with some sugar syrup with essential oil mix. Instead of just smoking the bees, sometimes I spray them with this and they get kind of dopey. So.
And that's helpful?
Yeah. The spacer is for the bags of sugar syrup. Inner cover, outer cover. I put a entrance reducer on here because these bees, they need to be able to defend their hive. You don't want the whole opening open. They want a smaller entrance to defend. And then I put this landing board on. It's a piece of cedar shingle. Just makes it easier for them to land. So in a couple days, I'll check on this and then I will probably add a second super on here, another medium super, for them to start drawing out the comb, or if you already have honeycomb on your frames, that's even better. And more sugar syrup in the bags. The bag syrup works really well, I've found. The bees don't drown in it like they drown on some of those tray feeders.
Yeah, much better.
So there you go, another one of our DIY living shows. You know, if I can do it, you can do it. We're beginner beekeepers. We're just kind of documenting our beekeeping experience. There's a link below for a playlist of other beekeeping videos we've made. All right?
I think we're going to be beginners forever.
Yeah, we are. I keep making mistakes.
These are hard.
See you later.